Hi, I'm Howard Fleischmann Sr. with Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair, representing NARPRO.com today. We want to talk about wiper blades. Simple product, but I'm telling you, monsoons hit and you're not ready, you're going to be sorry. So the first wiper blade we'll talk about is the insert. Inserts are great if your car will take them. It's going to be older vehicles in most cases, and they can be very difficult to install. A much better choice, if you can find them and if they'll fit your car, would be the clip-on. And this is the standard one that has the 4 pressure points. And then we have a modern blade. The modern blade, if it'll fit your car, you want to go to this. A little more money, but much better rubber. And it has a pressure system all the way through the blade, so it will clean your windshield well. Remember, you're in Arizona. In Arizona, we fight the heat and the summer sun, and it destroys the rubber in these blades. They'll either melt directly to your windshield, or when you start using them, they'll have very little contact. And when the monsoon hits, you can't afford not to be able to see. And when it comes with dust. Spend the right money, get a good blade. You're in Arizona, you need it. Every 6 months, replace them, or at least check them. And if you're not sure if you need wiper blades, stop by any of the Community Tire Pros locations. We'll be glad to check it. If we're not convenient, go to NARPRO.com. NARPRO.com has a group of shops all over the Phoenix market, and you can trust that they'll do the right thing for you every time. Let us check it out and keep you safe. Thank you.